What are you eating? What are you eating?
A cookie.
Oh, how come you got to eat a cookie?
I think there's a cookie.
How come you did get a cookie?
I ate all my dinner.
Oh. And what was for dinner?
Holy moly.
Ravioli?
Yeah.
Say it again.
Ravioli. Good.
And what is your problem? Young man. What is your problem? Eat your dinner. No? Why? I know you're stuck. Show Grandma your eye. Where's your boo-boo? Why don't you like your raviolis? Huh? Can you wave hi? Say cheese. Yeah. No, you had 2 cookies.
Just free.
You had 2 cookies. That was your choice. 2 cookies.
And then 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4.
Are you being irritable? No. Are you being cranky? Are you being cranky? Why aren't you eating your dinner? Are you being a nincompoop? Hudson. 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 Hudson, Hudson. Take a bite of your dinner. Keep your hands out of there. Can you say hi, Grandma? Say hi, Grandma.